Mumbai, the city where millions come to achieve their dream. At its heart, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. Right across stands Anjuman-I-Islam. Education is the passport for bright future. With a twinkle of excitement as you enter Anjuman-I-Islam Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, you'll always be welcomed with a warm smile. We have been standing tall since 1993, training budding hoteliers, whether it's finesse and perfection in the kitchen or mastering skills, creativity and knowledge in food and beverage service. All our laboratories have sufficient space and all the necessary equipment. Equally important is training students to handle various situations in front office while developing their confidence and body language. A critical component of our students' journey is keeping them digitally updated. We believe in holistic development by keeping one engaged through various extracurricular activities, be it inter-class competition, inter-college competition, hosting the largest college food festival in Mumbai, Magna. Our students are able to handle campus placements with confidence and poise. If you see your future career in hospitality industry, then take a leap of faith. Join the leading hospitality institute, Anjuman-I-Islam Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Each student is not just provided with knowledge, but they are individually molded into professionals.